Hello guys, today's topic is factorial of number using recursion. First of all, we must know what is recursion. What is factorial? Factorial of non-negative integer n denoted by n factorial is the product of all positive integers from 1 to n. Example 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So basically it's a product of all the positive integers from 1 to 5. So it comes out to be 120. Similarly, the 10 factorial will be 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is 36,28,800. So basically this is the definition of the factorial with two examples. Now coming to the program. So basically this is a method factorial. N is a parameter, n is a number. If n equals 0, then return 1, else return n into factorial of n minus 1. Suppose we need to find the factorial of 5. Okay, we need to find the factorial of 5. So basically it will come the factorial 5. Okay, if 5 equals 0, that means 5 is not equal to 0, so it will come to this statement: return n into factorial of n minus 1. That is 5, n is basically 5 into factorial of 4. Okay, now here it will come factorial of 4. Okay, factorial 4. Now 4 is not equal to 0, so it will come to this statement. Now what it will be? 4 into factorial 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay, so now it will be factorial 3. It will be factorial 3. So 3 is not equal to 0. So it will be skip and it will come to this statement. So what does it say? Return n into factorial n minus 1. N is equal to 3. So 3 into factorial of 3 into factorial of 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, now we will return a factorial 2. Now here it will be factorial 2. Now 2 is not equal to 0. So what it will return? It will return 2 into factorial of 2 minus 1, that is factorial 1. Now there will no factorial 2. There will be factorial 1. Okay, and 1 if n equals 0. So 1 is also not equal to 0. So it will come to this statement. Now return n into factorial of n minus 1. That is n's value is 1. So 1 into factorial of 1 minus 1, that is 0. So now, okay, what is the value of the... Now we will find the factorial of 0. So factorial of... Here it will come factorial of 0. Okay, and 0 is equal to 0, so it will return 1. It means that the factorial 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 into 1, that means 1. It will be stored in the factorial 1. So factorial 1 is 1. Okay, the factorial 2 is 2. So here the value of the 2 will be stored. So it becomes 6. Factorial 3 is 6. So 6 into 4, that is 24. Now factorial 4 is 24. So 24 into 5, that comes out to be 120. So this is how the recursion works. So let us do the program in Java. So here it is the code. If we need to find the factorial of 6, factorial of 0 and factorial of 5. So what we do, we create a class factorial, then public static int factorial. That is a method, and there is a parameter that is int n. If n is equal to 0, then it will return 1, else return n into factorial of n minus 1. Public static void main string args. So the factorial of 6 is factorial of 6. So it will be called the method. So this is how we perform the factorial of a number using a recursion method. Thank you.